Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engines, coming to you from the backwood hillbilly woods of South Carolina. All right.
Okay, folks, here's your host with the most personality in the South, T-Bone.
Thanks for tuning in, folks. We got mail. I'm all excited, guys. Love getting mail. This guy, see if I can get a sticker up straight for you. The Gravely Man. You want to know something about a Gravely? You ask that man. Check out his channel, subscribe to him. Thank you, sir. We really appreciate the stickers. We sure do. Very proud to have them. And we're going to get those up on the board in just a minute. But y'all stay tuned. We're going to give a short shop tour for KB's Small Engine Repair. Requested a shop tour. And yes, it's small and it's old, but we want to show you guys around a little bit. And then at the end, after that tour, we are going to talk about a giveaway. So stay tuned, guys. Let's go put this sticker up and get on down the road with it. All right, folks, let's get Gravely Man up on the board. Look at him. Great looking sticker. Very, very proud to have that, folks. Let's see if we can get y'all zoomed in. Check out some of these other guys up here. It ain't got no gas in it. We got KB's up there. KB Small Engine Repair, Lawnmower Detective going to get a donut. Mr. Scotty Daniel does a lot of lives. He's a great guy. Y'all check these guys out. Steve the Transit Camper, very, very talented. DRH Small Engine Service, very talented. Everybody up here has so much talent. Mr. Tom Dobie, proud to know you, sir. Of course, Gravely Man, we just got up there. If you need to know something about a Gravely, he is your guy. He is the guy. Matt Small Engine, young man, he is learning and coming right on up. We got Big Son's Lawn Care. He has got some good stuff out there. Tinker and Taylor, Nev Shack. Y'all go check him out also. We got the famous Henry Morawski. AJP Garden Machines. He's got a nice shed over there, mate. We got Savage Small Engine Repair. Proud to know that fella. The Rusty Rooster. Check him out, guys. And David Kernut. Man, thank all you guys for sending us these stickers. We are very, very proud of them. Now let's get into this little shop tour, and then we're going to get back and talk about this giveaway coming up soon. Stand by, folks. Well, we caught KB live on his channel. Can you believe that?
That's probably what roosters.
We got Henry and Morawski up there and the doctor. They're talking about the rooster. So, hold on, fellas. KB's, this is the reason for this short shop tour. He asked for us to do that. I'm going to do a short one just for KB. All right, Kyle, hope you enjoy it. Well, this is the entrance where most of our customers will walk in and up to our old desks. This old shop was built in 1974. Some racks and lawnmower blades, our old gas cans we use down there, oil, lubricants, stereo and TV. There's the guy who's the reason we're doing this tour. Air filters, good stock air filters. Chrome hubcaps, how about that? And come over here, you see we even got Carl in here right there. Anybody ever seen one of these? That's actually Avon had those back in the day. Yeah, I know my desk is a nasty. Anyhow, oil trimmer line, Noco charters, straps, safety glasses, a bunch of various parts up here. This is right by the desk. interstate battery display, oil and tire and other stuff, safety chains for trailer. Look, there's the old Super Clean hat. Can you believe that? I'm gonna spin around here, guys, and look back the other way. Yeah, we're still working on this place. One of these days we'll get it complete. That's our supply of belts up there. Old deer head, I killed him many years ago. Another old skull over there. My wife does a lot of scrapping over here at this bench. She'll take and save all the copper and the aluminum and all that stuff. She strips carburetors, takes screws, and save all that stuff, because you never know when you're gonna need some stuff. The rest we recycle. All right. Torch set. Another welding machine stuck back there. That's our old Lincoln arc welder. And excuse the mess, folks. Let me cut another light on. There's little battery chargers, and it's crammed in here. It's the weekend. Everything is locked up. This is on a Sunday afternoon. Chargers, just random junk over there. Customer equipment and whatnot. Here's our oil extractor and vat and a bunch of oil we got to get out of here back to the recycle. You can see a bunch of stickers up here. This is not the sticker board. This is just another sticker board. Screws, bolts, I mean, you name it, up there. This is the bench I spend most of my time. Got a bad back, so I spend a lot of time in that chair, and we put things on roll carts, and easier to work on that way. And I got a lot of common tools up here that I use all the time, every day. Spark tester. That's a mirror so I can see who's coming in that door behind me, because half the time they scare me when they walk in. Just handy stuff that I use all the time, every day, right here. Sonic cleaner, just their vacuum tester up there on the top shelf. An old toolbox I've had forever. It's collected a lot of tools. This is actually my wife's toolbox. We have another cutting torch over here. And pulleys. Fair selection of pulleys there. Some other items. Carburetor spindles. Gloves, brake cleaner, ramps, jack, whatnot. Hold on, I'm gonna spin around here to the welding machine. Let me get it uncovered. This old Miller-Matic. Not a lot. I mean, it's not a great big fancy machine. There's our mixed gas tank, and I keep most of my welding tools and all in here, and welding shields and all down there. Fire extinguisher, another one. Cut those out of a darn interstate calendar. Back here, let me cut a light on so you can get a little better shot back here. And we're back behind the desk now. I mean, you name the random parts. There are switches, PTO switches, key switches, Honda parts, bearings. I mean, so much stuff here you can't name it all. Four-wheeler carburetor kits we stock. Zama, Walbro, Tittleson carburetor kits, primer balls. We stock all that stuff. Fuel filters, all kinds of things. I'll show you some more back over at the carburetor bench. Hold on. Guess I kind of skipped over this. That's all our different sizes of Tygon fuel line we use, hose clamps, spare gaskets, a whole kit of anything in the world for Walbro. You know, there's even more parts up under here. We got stuff. It's just a small shop, guys. And you can see we still need to put up some more USB back here. But it's an old shop. We're working on it, you know. And here's, you know, fuel filters in these cabinets. Oil filters, hydro filters, some tiki torch oil. More oil filters. That kind of thing. Calendar. Spark plugs. We are really, really low on spark plugs right now. There've been a bunch on back order. There's the famous sticker board. We got to get the thing. Some more stickers in here. Look at all these guys. We're about to put up another one here in just a minute. Back here, security system, credit card machine. It's a mess, but it's workable. We'll make a living out of here. And more I'm not going to show you right now. Back through that door is another building the same size and another building even bigger, all just packed up with stuff. It's unbelievable. But anyhow, continuing on. All right, we're back out here to the entrance, and we're going to talk about who's going to be our lucky winner chicken dinners going on that board. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to tell you how to enter to win. All right, folks, this contest, your name is going on our brand new board. Winner chicken dinner, your name is going there. That's where you're going to be. Folks, I'll tell you what, a community comes together and helped us reach that goal of 400 subscribers. So guess what we're going to do? It was quick, man. We jumped up over 400 overnight. That was wonderful. Thank you so much. Guys, we're going to return it. We're going to give away a rechargeable flashlight. We're giving away 2 to 2 lucky winners. So, as our appreciation for all of our subscribers, Lord, I hope I sit in the chair and not fall off. Down below, I want you to put hashtag free light in the comment section, and that's how you enter to win. And we'll use the random selector on the computer to choose our 2 winners of a free rechargeable light. We love these things. We use them every day in our shop. We really appreciate you guys, each and every one of you. This drawing will take place this coming Friday. I'm going to put the date right here. This coming Friday, we're going to choose our winner and post it and put you up on that board up there. Now listen, we've got more things coming for you guys, so click that subscribe button. There's a little icon, I think it's right down there, that little circle with our logo. Y'all click on that and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Remember, only enter once in the comments. Hashtag free light to win. We thank each and every one of you. We really appreciate you tuning in to Rayleigh's Small Engine.